What's up, y'all? It's Beauty by CeCe. I'm back and better than ever. You missed me. I know you did. So yeah, what's up? You see this look? If you haven't guessed it already, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about my heritage. So on my mother's side, I am French Canadian, so that's why I did France and Canada, because I'm a little good mixture of both. You can't have one without the other. I'm French Canadian. Y'all, when I tell you this tutorial is not easy, like this makeup look is not easy at all. It took me 2 hours, almost 2 hours to do this entire look. Like, it was not easy whatsoever from the start, from the beginning. Like, from the eyelid primer, I knew this was going to be a hard look because my eyelid primer was not trying to work with me this morning. Well, earlier. It was not trying to work with me at all. The eyeshadows weren't trying to work with me. It was just a lot, but it was really fun. It was my first time freehand drawing anything on my face. I learned some mistakes throughout the way that I made rookie mistakes. So I learned from those little mistakes I made, and you guys will learn with me along the way. If you're watching this for pure entertainment, this is going to be hilarious, just laughing back at my fails when I edit it. I know it's going to be hilarious, and I'll probably like pop some words down the bottom so y'all know I was at back here like laughing like hell when I was editing this, but it turned out really pretty and I'm really proud of it, and I'm really proud of my heritage. A lot of people don't know when they see me that I'm mixed. People are just like, you're black. And it's like, I'm not only African American, but I'm also French Canadian. I'm also Cherokee Indian. And then I gotta find out what my grandmother on my father's side, well, I gotta figure out what my father's side is mixed with, which I gotta ask a couple people, so ran in those DMs already. Well, by the time this video goes up, I ran in them DMs already, and hopefully I have an answer to put here. But if not, I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm mixed with at least that, only on my mother's side, so there's just a lot going on. But yeah, I'm proud of my heritage. I was never really picked on or anything that I can remember for being mixed because no one knew I was mixed. I mean, I wasn't even picked on for my eye color, which lots of people say when they have pretty eyes, you know, and it doesn't match their skin tone. They're like, oh, I got picked on for my eyes. I don't know. I got lots of compliments for my eyes. Never got picked on. But if you guys haven't noticed, my eyes are hazel and they change colors. They're probably different colors throughout my videos, so you guys probably have noticed, but they change colors. I get that from my mother's side of the family. Yeah, I'm just like a little mixed kid trying to make her way through life. So yeah, the reason why I do this YouTube thing is because I love being able to being able to express myself through makeup, and I'd rather do it on a platform than just do it for myself to see, and like maybe Instagram gets like a small portion of all the makeup that I do. Well, now I'm doing like all my makeup is going straight on Instagram in like a post with multiple pictures every week. But yeah, Instagram only gets like a small portion of my makeup. Snapchat usually gets the whole portion of my makeup, so if you want to add me on Snapchat, it's right there. You can see all my makeup when I do it on Snapchat. Yeah, you guys don't get to see every single makeup look I do because sometimes I forget to record it while I'm doing it, or I'll film it and it comes out terrible and I'll just delete the footage. There's a lot of things behind sitting in front of this camera and talking to you guys, also in front of this camera and computer setup and talking to you guys. Yeah, I didn't used to be so confident until I started YouTube. I want to say it was around the time I started YouTube I started to get more confident, more comfortable in my own skin, just because I had someone to talk to, which is you guys. Even though sometimes you don't respond, it's okay. You're all my friends and my family, so I love you guys. So yeah, yeah, that's just a little bit about me. Mixed a little bit, like just add a bunch of seasonings into my soup and boom, I mixed. So yeah, keep on watching. We're just gonna slide right into this video.
And I know when that highlight play, that could only mean one thing, no. And I know when that highlight
So I'm gonna go into my JACLYN Hill palette, and I'm gonna mix probably this one with a little bit of that one and a tad bit of this one. So I'm gonna mix those three colors up. Alright, that's pretty much how it's gonna look. Now I'm gonna pick an eyebrow color. These are too pink for me. So I'm gonna go into my Morphe 35O palette. And I'm gonna go to Said OG. She here. Boom. That's the OG. And I'm going to brow highlight before I go into any more color. Just gonna do a little bit of brow highlighting. Now I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This one is in Toffee. Just gonna put it on the back of my hand. So yeah, we're just gonna cut both creases, even though they're both gonna look different. We're just gonna, boom, cut both creases because they're both being a cut crease. And I'm going to set it with white. This white eyeshadow in my 35B palette. You can set it with whatever white you have. Alright, so I ended up having to set my eyes with the Coty Airspun powder. Boom. I ended up having to set my eyes with that because, I don't know, the white eyeshadow never loves me. So first I'm going to start with the French flag, and it looks like it's on the left side, which this is my left side if you can't tell. And it goes blue, white, red from left to right. So this is my left side, I'm going left to right. So yeah, I'm gonna do that first. And then I'm gonna go into the Canadian one, which, alright, so that one's red, white, red. So it's kind of like Halo. So I'm gonna do that real quick. So fast motion for me, moving fast motion for me. I forgot to show y'all what eyeshadows I'm using. I'm going into my 35B palette, and I'm gonna use the blue. I know it's kind of more of a navy blue in the French flag, so I'm gonna mix this blue with a little bit of this blue, but then I'm also gonna use the white and the orange right there from this palette. I might have to go into the JACLYN Hill palette and take a little bit of that burgundy shade right there at the edge of the screen. I have to take a little bit of that shade and mix it in with the red in order to make it look more poppin' red, because I don't have a red eyeshadow, so I need to get one ASAP. Alright. Y'all, this was a struggle and I kinda sorta wanted to give up. But I was like, no, Kylie. You gotta represent for your heritage. So you can't give up. So my white, like I told y'all, was being a butt. And it still was being a butt. My white has never worked out well. I don't know why. But I realized my 35O palette, thank God, has this really bright shade. It did the white, okay? But yeah, I'm going to the NK Makeup Microfine Art Liner in black. Why I didn't go all the way in with my eyeliner is because my eyes water in the inner corners, so it'll mess up the eyeshadow that I put on my eye. So I didn't go all the way in with the eyeliner, so it doesn't bleed into my eyeshadow. So yeah, next I'm gonna put on these lashes. I have like a multi-pack of lashes and I hate putting them back in the multi-pack, so they're the Kiss 11 lashes. So I'm going to put them on off camera real quick and I'm going to do my face. I'm basically just going to take a makeup wipe off all the excess and go up under my eyeliner and like clean off everything up to that eyeliner, make my eyeliner a little sharper, and then put on my foundation and stuff. And I'll be back to put on the highlights and to finish off my Canadian flag because there's something missing, guys. Something is missing from my Canadian flag. I gotta finish it for you. So I will be right back. Alright, so I'm gonna moisten my face with the NYX First Base Primer Spray. Primer Spray? Yeah. That's just gonna allow the MAC Soft and Gentle highlight to stick to my face. Oh, you're looking like a glazed donut for the culture. For the culture. So let me tell y'all what I did real quick. To make my maple leaf, I mixed up, boom, my own eyeliner. So what I did was I took the red orange from the Morphe 35B palette. And I took a little bit of the white. And now I'm going to draw freehand with this little eyeliner brush. I'm going to freehand draw the maple leaf. But yeah, I mixed those two with this cake eyeliner sealant. So if I can find it online, I will link it down below. Hopefully I can find it. But I'm just going to draw it right under my eyeliner. That's why I put the highlight first, because I didn't want to like put anything on top. The proportions are off, but it's our first try and we're doing it for the culture. Okay, I'm gonna take the NYX white liquid liner. Alright, so this looks pretty good. I'm not gonna be like extra OCD about it because I'm not very sure what I'm doing at all times, but it looks pretty good. I don't usually freehand like shapes and stuff. I mean, I don't really like freehand anything usually, but So I'm trying to decide if I want to do an under eye color, and I think that would be entirely too much. So let's hit that inner corner, boo-boo. So I'm going to go into the Dirty JACLYN Hill palette because I got it dirty with foundation. I'm going to take this, it's like a pinky, like a peachy silvery color, and I'm going to highlight my inner corners. She ready. She ready. She ready. So I'm going to take this crayon coal in mousse. I'm going to line my lips with it. And I'm going to fill it in with the KYLIE Cosmetics in DOLCE. Because I want to deepen up my DOLCE a little bit. And because my DOLCE liner ran out way before my lipstick, I'm hurt. Last and finally least, oh my gosh, I'm done, thank you. This, I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Matte Magic Mist and Set. Matte Magic Mist and Set spray. Boom, spray my face, set it, and I will be back. Alright, so if you guys enjoyed watching this wonderful tutorial that took me wonderfully long, and it's going to take me even longer to edit, and yeah, it's just it's hard work, but I'm willing to do it, and it's definitely worth it once I get to watch my videos back on YouTube and see people watching my videos, and you know, see people liking my videos and showing love. I definitely appreciate all of it. So yeah, when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm doing a giveaway. So go ahead and share this video, share my channel, share me, so you can get entered into my giveaway. It's going to be on here and on Instagram. So yeah, follow me on Instagram. Boom, right there. And on Snapchat, if you didn't see in the beginning, I'll pop it right here too. Boom, right there. So yeah, follow my social medias. That's where I'm mostly active when I'm not on here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and of course subscribe. Gang gang. Always remember to stay positive, stay blessed, and never ever ever forget to love yourself, because I love you, and if you don't love you, how am I supposed to love you? Okay, so you gotta love yourself in order for me to love you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Okay.
Thinking about you, yeah. Thinking about